I think every girl and in fact every boy has faced this problem, which is hair fall.
जब हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट करती है?
I think stress is one of the major factors which affects your skin, hair, everything.
तो can we reverse hair fall?
Diabetes can be reversed. I think hair fall is something that can be solved as well. मेरी मम्मी ने 5 बार मुंडन कराया है.
Are supplements necessary or only food will take care of that?
Concentration should be on the right diet.
अगर मुझे किडनी प्रॉब्लम है, I cannot take enough protein.
Oh, if you have kidney stones, then you should probably have beer. I don't know.
Speaking
Exactly.
English doesn't mean that
Of course.
you are running a good salon.
Yeah.
300 rupees cream versus 3000 rupees cream.
दादी के नुस्खे दोनों reject.
Sleep during shoots.
Where is the glass skin?
Hello Glow fams, welcome to the fresh episode of Skin Coffee with Ghazal, where we don't just talk about beauty, we understand what's really happening behind it. आपने कभी सोचा है कि जब लाइफ में स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है तो सबसे पहले बाल क्यों गिरने लगते हैं? Like you are going through something difficult, work pressure, relationship issues and health struggles. और suddenly आपका hair brush full of hair. Coincidence नहीं है ये. There's a deep biological connection between what is happening in your mind, what is happening in your hormones, or what is happening on your scalp. आज हम इसी hidden connection को unpack करने वाले हैं with someone who from being a CA entered into the television industry. She has made a bold shift and built her own journey. Tina, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Ghazal. Thank you. It's lovely to be here.
I really appreciate that you have taken out time for us because I heard that you were shooting back to back.
Yeah.
And it's really honor to have you on my show.
No, it's my privilege, honestly. Thank you so much for inviting me. And I've heard so much about you from my colleagues. And I really wanted to come here on this podcast and talk to you and just have a good chat.
Thank you so much. Tina, I know you since you were, in Kumkum Bhagya. You were playing a negative lead role.
Yeah.
And since then we are, in touch. And हम हमेशा plan करते हैं that we would be doing something or the other, but वो कभी
Right.
turn out नहीं हुआ. And finally you are here now.
Finally.
So before we dive into our today's topic, जो कि है stress, hair and hormones.
Yeah.
I want to ask you from being, a CA into moving a television industry, that's a huge shift. Like what made you do so?
To be really honest, like I've always wanted to become an actor. But I come from a family of like doctors and engineers. Everybody's either from IIT or IIM. मुझे ऐसा था कि कुछ तो मुझे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी वरना मेरे घर वाले सोचेंगे कि इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, ये डम है. तो to prove to all my family and relatives and extended family and all of that, I had to do my degree. But that wasn't enough. So my family was like, listen, this is not enough. You need to do more. So then I did all those CA exams and they were really, really hard because they were like 15 of them. And like there's tax and there's audit. तो काफी difficult था. और tax तो मैं मतलब 2-3 बार fail भी हो चुकी थी. सच में. It was really hard. But finally, like I managed to clear all the exams. I used to work for in audit for Grant Thornton. तो वो मैंने किया. फिर मुझे था कि अब तो मुझे बस अपना ड्रीम पूरा करने दो, मुझे अपनी ख्वाहिशें पूरी करने दो, एक ही जिंदगी है.
So this is what you discovered later.
No, I've always wanted to become an actor.
Okay.
But like family का pressure था तो मुझे वो पढ़ाई पूरी करनी पड़ी.
Okay.
ऐसा तो but yeah, I mean I'm glad it's all worked out and I'm glad that I did my CA as well because that taught me determination and to not give up.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Because leaving a stable CA career,
Yeah.
it's not easy. What was going on in your mind at that period of time?
To be really honest, I wasn't happy in my job and I was a really bad auditor. मतलब मैं सबसे worst performer थी company में, from all the graduates that had joined. So I've always wanted to become an actor. तो जब मैं audit भी कर रही थी and we were visiting different companies to audit, मेरे mind में यही चल रहा था, मैं इधर क्यों हूँ, मुझे इधर नहीं रहना है, मुझे वापस acting में जाना है. And I did theatre and all of that, but तो वही चलता रहता था. फिर एक दिन जब मैंने सब खत्म कर लिया, सारे exams पास कर लिए, I was like, now I just want to act. तो मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे 1 year का टाइम दिया, फिर मैं बॉम्बे आई और वहाँ से जर्नी शुरू हुई.
ओह अमेजिंग. अगर ये जो क्रिएटिव फील्ड है जो आपने चूज किया है, यू नेवर हैड दैट थॉट कि अगर ये वर्क नहीं किया मेरे लिए तो क्या होगा, बिकॉज यू लिविंग अ स्टेबल सीए करियर.
या वो थॉट कभी कभी अभी भी आता है कि ओह गॉड, अगर मैं सीए होती तो काफ़ी स्टेबिलिटी होती है. अभी तो इट्स लाइक अ रोलर कोस्टर राइड. बट आई थिंक द फ्यूल इज माई पैशन फॉर एक्टिंग एंड आई थिंक दैट जस्ट कीप्स मी गोइंग. तो मुझे कभी भी रिग्रेट नहीं होता कि मैंने अपनी जॉब की छोड़ी या फिर एक वेल पेइंग स्टेबल जॉब की छोड़ी. क्योंकि मुझे अपने काम में बहुत मज़ा आता है एंड आई लुक फॉरवर्ड टू गोइंग टू वर्क. एंड आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आउट देयर वर्क जस्ट टू मेक अ लिविंग, whereas I feel like I'm very privileged. In fact, I think all actors are very privileged and all people who are doing jobs that they really enjoy are very privileged because they're so passionate about it and they're making a living out of their passion.
So now let's dive into our today's segment. So have you faced a moment in your life when you had to face hair fall at any point of time?
I think every girl and in fact every boy has faced this problem, which is hair fall. But yeah, I think that's a time for introspection and to think, what we need to do internally to solve that issue. Yeah, it can be really, really stressful, especially for like people from this entertainment.
Yes. So, and what was the
industry.
trigger? Have you ever tried to find out कि वो trigger stress था, hormones था, or something else?
Yeah, I mean, I've had like blood tests done, not just for hair fall, just in general. I do that regularly, like every year, And apart from that, I try and be like calm and I do like meditation and all of that to calm myself down. But yeah, I mean, I take care of my nutrition, which I think is very important for hair and skin.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So how is stress directly linked to hair fall? जब हम स्ट्रेस में होते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट करती है?
I think stress is one of the major factors, especially in this day and age, which affects your health, which affects your skin, hair, everything. So I think you have to really be very careful and take measures accordingly. And I think the right nutrition as well, exercise, good sleep.
Even the stress.
Yeah.
Do you think that अगर किसी ने स्ट्रेस कम कर दिया, रिड्यूस कर दिया,
हाँ.
तो can we reverse hair fall?
Yes, of course. I think, everything, like if diabetes can be reversed, I think hair fall is something that can be solved as well.
So people ignore hormones a lot, like hormonal issues like PCOD, PCOS and thyroid.
Right.
So do you think they also play an important role, in affecting your hair growth and it leads to hair fall?
Of course, I think hormonal imbalance, that's a very major factor for like skin and hair. And they say that whatever you see externally, like how you look, is what is happening on the inside. So I think that's a good symptom.
How do people know कि अगर उनका hair fall हो रहा है? That is because of hormones. उनको कैसे पता चलेगा?
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उसके लिए रेगुलर चेकअप बहुत ज़रूरी है, लाइक once a year or once in 6 months. काफ़ी ऑफिसेज में अपने आप ही होते हैं. I think that's important. And you have to check your diet now and again.
Okay.
The right pattern of eating. Like I'm very, very careful about that. Like कोई मैदा भी खाता है, मैं कहती हूँ अरे मैदा खा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, and I have a proper way of eating as well. Like in the morning, I have a lot of vegetables. So I coat my stomach with, good nutrition and vegetables and dry fruits and, seeds, mixed seeds and all. Yeah.
So are there any specific tests which, only अगर किसी को hair fall check करना है, उसके लिए, do you know any specific test? Because I have heard is thyroid panel, your hormonal panel and testosterone, which plays an important role in your hair fall.
Yeah.
So any such tests which only they focus on कि वो ही करवा लें and regular अगर उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बेसिक टेस्ट क्या करवा सकते हैं? Do you know that?
To be really honest, like as a lay person, I do not know the exact tests that are required to check hair fall, but I think your TSH levels, your hormone levels, they give an indication.
Okay,
yeah,
great.
Of your hormones, and then that is like, it is like a domino effect. So if that's not right, that's probably the reason why you're having hair fall.
How nutrition plays an important role in your hair fall, because we see that as we talking about nutrition also, iron again leads to hair fall, then protein is also important for your hair, and even 2B12. So can you explain like how nutrition plays an important role, and ये जो nutrients हैं इनको कैसे cover किया जाए?
Yeah, I think nutrition is extremely important, and also, like I mentioned before, the right pattern of eating. तो काफ़ी लोग क्या करते हैं, सुबह सुबह जैसे उठ के टोस्ट खा लिया with honey, या फिर French toast या pancakes, या फिर even juices in the morning. So that's not the right way of eating, because you're giving it is just giving a glucose spike.
Yes.
You're giving your body that
Insulin
glucose spike, which is not required. So if you really want to have sweets, you need to coat your stomach first with vegetables, and then carbohydrates and proteins, and then have like sugar at the end if you do want to have sugar.
Okay.
So I think apart from nutrition, the right pattern of eating is also very important.
So can diet alone can stop hair fall, or are there any other factors also along with that?
I think everything works in like coexistence. So if you just have good food but without exercise and without sleep, it's not a complete balance. You have to have all your pillars in the right place.
Right.
So exercise is very, very important. Good sleep is very important. And then good nutrition as well. So everything has to be in sync.
So if the person is not sleeping properly, तो वो भी hair fall पे directly impact करता है?
Yeah, because I think the stress level increases,
Okay.
and then that has an indirect effect. So for that, like if I have to give a solution, sometimes if you don't have good sleep, I have this thing on YouTube called white noise. I don't know if you've heard of it.
White noise.
Yeah. Have you heard of it? Yeah, which is like the effect.
yes,
like the effect in a womb,
Yeah.
of a mother, and that's very soothing. A lot of people just fall asleep with that. Yeah, and one of my friends has tried that.
Oh.
Yeah, and he fell asleep like immediately. So yeah.
Okay. So have you heard about DHT? What is DHT?
No.
No. So DHT is a male hormone.
Okay.
जब हमारा stress high हो जाता है, stress is basically your cortisol.
Yeah.
So cortisol is your stress hormone. तो that is testosterone, जो कि male
Right.
hormone है.
Yeah.
तो जब हमारा cortisol level increase हो जाता है, तो DHT भी increase हो जाता है. तो when we don't control that DHT, तो भी it is directly linked to hair fall.
Oh wow. Okay.
So basically doctors DHT के काफ़ी टेस्ट करवाने के लिए बोलते हैं तो चेक कि DHT हमारा कितना हाइट पे है. DHT पैनल उसको कंट्रोल करने का ओनली वे है, इफ यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड ऑफ ग्रीन सॉ पैल्मेटो. It's a capsule which helps in lowering down your DHT levels.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
So that is also the reason why people get a lot of hair fall.
Okay.
Again, it comes in hormones.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Do you think that are supplements necessary, or only food will take care of that?
I think supplements is like an extra booster, but the concentration should be on the right diet. So that's your first level. And then, of course, where you're lacking, you can boost it up with supplements. But ideally, I think the right kind of food should do the trick.
So sometimes जो vegetarian diets है उनमें you hardly get protein इतना नहीं मिल पाता है. Then if I talk about B12 नहीं मिल पाता है. तो and iron is also, if you want to have iron, you have to have a lot of spinach and all.
Yeah.
So vegetarian के लिए क्या option हो सकता है? Because they have to take supplements.
Right. I think tofu is a very good option. Tofu is high in
good in
nutrition.
protein.
Yeah. In protein.
Yeah.
And apart from that, I think, you've got soya bean, you've got a lot of options. Dal, your pulses. I'm a non-vegetarian, so मुझे इतने vegetarian options अभी दिमाग में आ नहीं रहे because I eat non-veg. Yeah.
Someone asked me a really beautiful question that अगर मुझे kidney problem है and I cannot take enough protein, तो I said कि you can go for switch to some vegetarian protein, but उसने बोला कि vegetarian protein भी kidney के लिए harmful है अगर if you have kidney disease and all. तो do you know कि उनको क्या recommend करना चाहिए?
This is a very serious question, but somebody just said to me that, oh, if you have kidney stones, then you should probably have beer. I don't know. I don't know if I should be saying this, but no, I don't know what exactly the food is for like a kidney issue because.
No, not kidney issue. We are talking about protein right now.
Okay.
तो प्रोटीन जनरली किडनी पेशेंट्स को अलाउड नहीं होता है.
Right. Okay.
तो जो नेचुरल प्रोटीन है जनरली वी टेक आर्टिफिशियल प्रोटीन्स लाइक वे प्रोटीन एंड ऑल.
Yeah.
अब हमें नेचुरल प्रोटीन की तरफ शिफ्ट होना है.
हाँ.
तो समवन आस्क्ड मी कि हम वो कैसे शिफ्ट हों.
Okay.
So I told them कि curd is a better option जो कि anything which is easily
Probiotic.
digested by
Yeah.
the stomach it's better for the kidney patient. So there are options like curd. There are options like chia seeds.
Right.
Then we have this green lentils
Yeah.
जो कि most digestible form of protein है.
Yeah.
So something like that if you have in mind you can share with the audience.
I think specifically, like you said, lentils and I think curd is like helps you digest, like it's a probiotic. So I think that's like an aided thing apart from the protein, but yeah.
And I came across a really beautiful, studies where it shows that एक fixed formula है कि protein इतना ही लेना चाहिए according to the body weight. You must be knowing
right.
that. So when I came through that research, it surprised me that अगर person की lifestyle sedentary है, तो they should have 0.8 gram to 1 gram of protein per kg. So there is no set rule for protein. And if a person is going for a light walk or yoga, so the actual protein intake should be 1 to 1.2 gram per kg. And if a person wants to have fat loss or toning, then the protein intake should be 1.2 to 1.6 gram per kg. And if a person wants to gain muscle or काफी heavy workout है, तो then the ratio is 1.6 gram to 2.29 gram per kg. So जो हम रूल पढ़ते आए या सुनते आए कि 2 gram or 1 gram as per the body weight per kg. So it is not a set rule for everyone.
Yeah, I think nothing is set in stone. Like it really depends on a lot of factors. Like if you go to the gym, then you do have to take extra protein apart from your, that comes through food. So it depends on your body weight. It depends on the type of exercise that you're doing. Are you doing heavy workouts? But ideally, you shouldn't cater the protein to your lifestyle. It should be the other way around. So if you're having a sedentary lifestyle, that needs to be updated. ये नहीं कि आप प्रोटीन कम कर दो. आपको you have to be more active.
है and अगर प्रोटीन ले लिया काफी ज्यादा तो फिर वो डाइजेस्ट नहीं होगा and then you will have kidney issues.
Yeah, then you have kidney
then
issues.
people say कि हम प्रोटीन ले रहे हैं but वो हमारा because you are not working और या फिर आप अपना लाइफस्टाइल के अकॉर्डिंग you are taking more amount of protein.
Right.
So the protein should also be balanced as per your lifestyle, as per your body weight.
Correct, yeah.
Yes. Now I want to talk about birth control pills जो कि youngsters में काफी hyped है.
Right.
So birth control pills किस हद तक नुकसान पहुंचा सकती है for our hair fall?
So one of my friends was on a birth control pill because she had PCOD.
Yeah.
So I think where it's needed,
then it's required.
to regulate menstruation, I think that's fine. But otherwise, I personally avoid any pills of any sorts, even if I have a headache, even if I have like a really bad stomachache or whatever, unless it's harming, like if I can't really like work, I won't take it. So that's just as a rule because then I don't want to come to a stage where it where it affects me.
So coming to a conclusion that birth control pills, if you have hormonal issues like PCOD and PCOS, तो आपको लेनी ही पड़ेगी and it will अगर आप वो छोड़ दोगे तो फिर hair fall बढ़ जाएगा. So you have to take it because you are controlling your hormones.
Right. So I think eventually you will obviously be off it. And then I think it'll be fine. But to regulate your PCOD, that's
then
one
of
the
take it.
Yeah.
When a hair fall increase हो जाता है.
हाँ.
Okay. I want to share something which I had personally experienced. I went to a trichologist in Mulund. Actually, my mom is now having a receding hairline.
Okay.
So I don't want to call her from Rajasthan. So मैंने बोला I myself try first because I heard a lot about her from my friend, one of my friend. And I was like, I'm very skeptical, you know. I actually want to know, you know, ऐसा क्या है, you know, when people praise someone,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
become truly skeptical कि ऐसा क्या है, why she is praising so much.
Yeah.
So I went inside and I didn't find it like a clinic kind of setup. It was like a salon kind of setup. And I was like, okay. I sat down there. I was just watching. I sat down and she was like, we would be doing your scalp cleaning. So when I entered inside, there was no question regarding what issue you have. Blood reports normal है कि नहीं है, आयरन लेवल क्या है, अदर फैक्टर्स जो कि हेयर फॉल में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, लाइक हार्मोनल इश्यूज एंड ऑल. शी डिडंट आस्क एनीथिंग एंड देन शी स्टार्टेड विथ हर यू नो ट्रीटमेंट एंड ऑल. One of her staff came to me and she started treatment with a tail comb.
Oh, God.
And she applied a lot of pressure on my head. And I was like, it's so painful. Like, what are you doing? So, like, you have to bear with it because it will help in hair growth, blood circulation. I said, this much pressure? Really?
Yeah.
And I really had a bad experience. I had vertigo for 7 days because of that pressure, because it triggered my nerve.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, after that, I asked her, now what you gonna do? They were like, we would be applying chemical peels to grow your hair. I said, chemical peels? Okay. And I said कि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हमने सुनी हैं, जैसे रिडेंसिल है एंड नेचुरल रेमेडीज है, ऑनियन जूस है एंड इवन रोजमेरी, वो भी तो काफ़ी हद तक हेल्प करते हैं फॉर हेयर ग्रोथ. शी वाज लाइक, नो ये सब तो फालतू है, माई केमिकल पील्स आर रियली गुड, यू शुड ट्राई दैट. एंड देन यू नो what I feel, they start selling their treatment to you.
Right.
Now it's a regular process that you have to visit them.
Yeah.
There's no stoppage.
There's no stoppage.
आप जा रहे हो उनके पास तो आपका हेयर सही है, आप नहीं जा रहे हो तो you are facing that hair problem, क्योंकि आपके स्कैल्प को उस केमिकल पील की आदत हो गई है. So I was like, okay, that was very interesting. I was sitting down patiently just to know, and I just wanted to talk about her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that people should get aware
yeah.
कि actual में हो क्या रहा है. So हमें कैसे पता करना चाहिए कि this psychologist is safe for us और ये aggressive treatment हमारे लिए नहीं है.
So I think one of the first things to note is their qualifications, where they've got that from. Is that legit?
Yeah.
Then I would say customer reviews, not just quality but also quantity. How many people actually go to that clinic, because sometimes I've noticed like there might be some really great reviews but there'll only be like 10 of them, 15 of them. उन्होंने अपनी family या
reviews are paid nowadays.
Yeah, friends को बोला होगा. But then when you have a good quantity of good reviews, then that's also a good indication. And I think third is to do your research and find out what exactly they're using, what kind of products they're using, and also to check the kind of person that they are. Are they willing to talk to you about how they're going to go about this treatment?
Yeah.
Why they're going to do this specifically for you?
Information, educating.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think all of these factors together.
Because I feel कि हमारे अगर body signal को अगर हम ignore कर रहे हैं,
Right.
तो then it's not healing.
Yeah.
It's actually
torture.
forcing.
Yeah.
It's torture.
Yeah.
Do you feel that same amount of pressure is applied to everyone? क्योंकि हमने सुना है जब हम मसाज भी करवाते हैं, तो the pressure is different for you know each person.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
कभी-कभी nerve भी trigger कर जाती है with that extra pressure. So
Yeah.
the same kind of treatment, it is followed for everyone to maintain the pH balance, and then you know selling the shampoos, ये कहाँ तक सही है and how to stop that?
I think it stops right with your information and your knowledge and your education. So I think first you need to educate yourself, because otherwise anybody can like fool you.
Yes.
You know? So I think just to be self-aware and to know what is good for yourself, and there's no one-stop arrangement for everybody. Like you said, listen to your body.
Yes.
You know, it's different for every body. So, and also always check their qualifications. A lot of people are practicing all sorts of things without any qualifications.
Yes. Even qualified लोग भी ऐसा कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So then,
no
I think कुछ factors होने चाहिए. Then if the person is trying to scare you,
Yeah.
क्योंकि डॉक्टर्स कभी स्केयर नहीं करते, दे एडुकेट यू.
Yeah.
तो तभी हमें वो रेड सिग्नल मिल जाना चाहिए दैट this is not the right place for me. This is not a
Yeah.
safe space for me.
And I think especially with women, they have great intuition. So listen to your
Yes.
heart.
Yes, true.
Yeah.
So do you think a lot of people are over treating their hair? काफ़ी सारे ट्रीटमेंट्स करवा रहे हैं, मिनॉक्सिडिल लगा रहे हैं, रिडेंसिल लगा रहे हैं, उसके बाद काफ़ी होम रेमेडीज फॉलो कर रहे हैं. तो it is good for hair or it will damage your hair for a long period of time?
I think this is so true. A lot of people are going crazy with all of these treatments when I think the best way is natural remedy.
Okay.
And I think that's the best way to treat your hair because that is treating it biologically, internally.
Biologically, wow,
Yeah.
yeah.
And that's a long-term treatment. It's slow. That's why people give up
Yes.
midway and they go to all of these, quick treatments and quick fixes. But I think all of that is just temporary.
Because fancy treatments are attractive,
Yeah.
but जो slow treatment है जिसमें time लगता है वो
Yeah.
long run तक last करते हैं and people
Right.
don't have patience.
Yeah. And also with chemical treatments, they always have adverse effects. Whereas with natural treatments,
true.
the adverse effects are like minimal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think that these treatments work temporarily? और या फिर हमें अपनी डाइट फूड और इस पे भी ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए?
डाइट तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसी पे सबसे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए क्योंकि जो अंदर हो रहा है वही बाहर दिखेगा. What you are is what you eat. And मेरी मम्मी की एक सेइंग मुझे याद आ रही है, if you don't eat food like medicine, you will have to eat medicine like food. So later
good
on,
thought.
yeah, later on इसलिए मुझे बहुत ध्यान
We
से
keep on hearing from our grandmothers every time.
Yeah, so good nutrition always fixes everything. और प्रॉब्लम ही ये लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि टेस्टी नहीं होता है या vegetables are not tasty, salad क्या बोरिंग खाना, but actually उसमें भी बहुत varieties है and it can be really interesting.
Yes, and more about nutrition, I think your lifestyle, your stress, your other factors.
Yeah.
They also play a very important role in your. I'll reveal that study to you in some time because then it's a eye opener for me कि
Yeah.
nutrition के अलावा ये चीजें हैं जो major impact डाल रही हैं हमारे health
डेफिनेटली
पे.
डेफिनेटली पर स्ट्रेस का क्या है ना, मतलब हम किसी को बोलते हैं अरे तुम स्ट्रेस मत लो, स्ट्रेस मत लेना, ठीक है, वो और स्ट्रेस में हो जाता है, स्ट्रेस नहीं लो, कैसे नहीं लो स्ट्रेस. उनको लगता है अरे स्ट्रेस कोई बोलने वाली चीज है कि मैं मत लो स्ट्रेस. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस फॉर दैट.
Solutions
सो
for
मे बी यू आर
that.
गेटिंग स्ट्रेस्ड बट देन यू कांट टेल योरसेल्फ डोंट गेट स्ट्रेस्ड, डोंट गेट स्ट्रेस्ड.
Yeah.
You have to find solutions. As a solution can be maybe like meditating, maybe writing a journal down so your thoughts, you've got it out
Wow.
of your system. So we need to find solutions
to
for
that.
the
Instead
stress.
of running away.
Yeah.
This is my personal question, yeah. And I want to ask that you have your shoots ongoing,
Right.
on and off, on and off.
Yeah.
Do you really get time to sleep?
स्लीप मैं सच बताऊँ तो गाड़ी में सोते ऑन द वे बैक सो रहे होते हैं. बट या आई मीन व्हेन वी आर शूटिंग इट्स क्वाइट हेक्टिक, बट या आई ट्राई एंड फाइंड टाइम. I mean 6 to 8 hours. I love sleeping though I usually sleep for 10, but when I'm not shooting, but I try and manage at least 6.
और अगर किसी का ऐसा ही हैक्टिक रूटीन हो, डोंट गेट टाइम, ऑलवेज रनिंग हियर एंड देयर, सो कैसे वो स्ट्रेस ऑटोमेटिकली हाई हो जाता है.
Right.
इतना वर्क है, हैंडलिंग मल्टीपल थिंग्स, कैसे देन हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट?
I think it's about priorities. So you have to prioritize your health. और health नहीं है तो कुछ भी नहीं है. और उसके लिए नींद भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So I try and cut down the noise. So if I have limited time, then I have like a strict schedule. कि मुझे अब इतने बजे अब सोना ही पड़ेगा. I'm not like on my phone scrolling. I'm very strict about that because then it's eating into my sleeping time. तो वो थोड़ा सा हमको अपना टाइम टेबल मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. या
You must also have heard from lot of trichologists and even lot of people say that you don't have to apply oil regularly. So is that true?
I think it depends on your scalp. If you have a dry scalp, ideally you should be applying oil. That's good for you.
Yeah.
But if you have an oily scalp, that'll become worse. Yeah.
दो लोग हैं, एक को ऑयलिंग से बेनिफिट मिल रहा है, एक को ऑयलिंग से बेनिफिट नहीं मिल रहा है. What is the reason?
Because we're all different. Like we're all different people with different bodies and different scalps. Like I said, one is maybe not having enough water, is dehydrated and therefore has a scaly scalp and has dandruff issues. तो वहाँ पर oiling आपको beneficial होगा. उसमें भी मुझे लगता है कि like onion juice, कर्ड, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज रियली हेल्पफुल. घर के नुस्खे हमेशा करने चाहिए. एटलीस्ट यू शुड डू इट वंस अ वीक.
सो ऐसा कोई टेस्ट है या एनीथिंग एट होम वी कैन फाइंड आउट कि माई हेयर रिक्वायर्स ऑयल, माई हेयर डजंट रिक्वायर ऑयल?
आई थिंक वो खुद ही पता चल जाता है कि आपको कि आपकी स्कैल्प जो है वो
If your scalp is
flaky है,
oily and
dandruff.
flaky, then you should avoid oil.
Yeah, if it's oily, then you should avoid oil, and if it is dry
Dry, you
and
should-
like you've got dandruff issues, then you should oil your hair.
काफी लोग ना कंडीशनर से डरते हैं टीना. कंडीशनर लगाना मतलब हेयर फॉल इंक्रीज हो जाना. तो व्हाट इज योर से इन दिस कि कंडीशनर यूज करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए?
मुझे तो ऐसा कंडीशनर मुझे लगता है कि इट्स फाइन. आई डोंट सी एनी मेजर इशू. एवरीथिंग आई थिंक इन लिमिट इज फाइन. एवरीथिंग इफ
Okay.
you overdo anything, if
Yeah.
you overdo is an issue.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
And
have-
also you shouldn't wash your hair every day. Like
You should, of course.
yeah.
of
So
course.
all of that.
So now we are moving to our last segment जो कि about hair coloring है.
Okay.
With that I'll start with my personal experience. You must have heard about JCB.
Yeah.
Jean Claude. So that was my second color when I walked into that salon. So when I walked inside and the hair expert came to me and he was like कि मैम आपको क्या करवाना है? I said color करवाना है. And he took a lot of time and consultation. I wasted my 1.5 hours sitting there. I had red at the ends without bleaching. I got it done earlier. And he was like, मैम आपके बालों पे रेड हो रखा है and we have to cut this off to achieve any color. I said ठीक है, no problem, you can do that. मैम रेड को कट करने के लिए ब्लीच तो लगाना पड़ेगा. I said ठीक है, not an issue. बट मैम इसमें ना ओलाप्लेक्स मिक्स होगा. ओलाप्लेक्स के साथ इतनी कॉस्टिंग आ जाएगी एंड देन योर हेयर वी गारंटी यू कि आपके हेयर डैमेज नहीं होंगे. I said ठीक है, do it. 1.5 hours to 2 hours he was still thinking. I said ठीक है, ये मतलब ये सारे कलर्स है जो कि it can be achievable. These are the colors which I'm saying you कि ये achieve नहीं हो पाएंगे. I said okay fine. They started with the process. They started applying bleach. थोड़ा सा streak यहाँ पे, थोड़ा सा इधर, and all over on my roots and all. And then he tied it and clutched it here. तो वो जो ब्लीच जो था वो यहाँ पे एक स्पॉट बन गया.
Oh my god.
And I was like, are you painting a mountain?
Oh god.
What are you trying to do?
Yeah.
But like, no ma'am, don't worry, we'll cover it up with a color. I was like, okay. Because I didn't know, because that was the second color. I never had such an experience. And JCB है, भाई brand है, you can trust them. So I said, ठीक है, no problem, you can do it. When I sat there, I had that intuition कि नहीं कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है. And I had that fear in my mind. क्या? And I had to travel next day. Then they started with the color. They watched. मैंने वो ये क्या है, पूरा hair damage कर दिया है. बोले मैम रिलैक्स रहो, कलर होके नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. मैम अब आपके ऊपर ये कलर नहीं होगा जो आपने चूज किया है. Now you have only one option, that is copper. I said what?
Oh god.
What you were doing since long? You have wasted my 5 hours here,
Yeah.
and now you're saying that this color is not achievable. And then I was like, okay. So
Oh no.
that was really, and the next day I had to go to Desange, which is in Bandra.
Right.
They fixed my hair because I just want to know कि ये जो hair colors है कितना mental stress डाल देते हैं.
Yeah.
And even if you're going to a good salon, choosing to what is the criteria? How do you choose salon then?
It is a hard one, and I think most girls are unhappy.
Yeah.
Even I've noticed whenever they have a haircut, whenever all of us rather have a haircut, whenever we have a hair color, we're never too happy. We're never like 100%
Yes.
happy. So I feel that's an ongoing battle. And more than the brand, I think we need to see who the person behind the brand is, like who the person we're dealing with is. And that's what matters. If they have experience, if they themselves are testing and making you the guinea pig, you still have a lot of patience, Ghazal. I would have been shouting there. But
and they don't even they don't have that feeling that हमने अगर ऐसा किया है तो we can apologize and we
Oh,
can
no.
call. they are least bothered.
You should have told me I would have put a bad review for them.
I
on
had
Instagram, yeah.
done. I would be showing that also.
Oh,
But then,
no.
you know, there should be some factors which you can, you know,
Yeah.
tell audience ki aise kya factors it. Even if you're going to a brand, it doesn't mean that brand means good.
Yeah,
Speaking
exactly.
English doesn't mean that
Of course.
you're running a good salon.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what is the criteria they should look for?
So I first, like I said, customer reviews really matter because they're a true reflection of what is going on inside that particular brand. And I think second, देखो पहली बार तो आपको थोड़ा सा trial
Yes.
और test करना ही पड़ेगा. And
Yeah.
then I would suggest keep going back to the same exact person, even if it is the same brand, but don't go to a different person within that salon.
But then you don't have that feeling now to go to that person back.
No,
You're so scared with your experience.
yeah.
You won't even try to visit the next time.
Yeah. Yeah. So you just have to keep trying. I feel you go to a person, you go to a salon, and then you do it with a particular person, and then if they're okay and if they've done a good job, then you can trust them again. But पहली बार तो आपको थोड़ा सा trial
लेना पड़ेगा. And the
करना
trial comes out to be a disaster also.
But yeah, customer reviews also really help. Sometimes, you know, the name of the person's also
So what
mentioned.
happens now when you give any negative review on Google? So they fill up with 10 positive reviews. Do you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
My
so when
goodness.
you give any negative review to any brand,
Yeah.
so they fill up with 10 more positive reviews, so that negative review is hidden behind the positive.
There's a lot of cheating going on in the world. My goodness. Yeah.
So according to you, अगर hair color से damage हुआ है, तो can it be reversed or only it can be managed?
I think it can be only managed, and only the new hair now you need to take care of, from what my understanding of it is.
Okay.
I used to color my hair as well, like for the series that I was doing for Kumkum Bhagya, because I was playing a negative character. And I don't know why they thought that negative characters have to have like colored hair.
Negative characters are glamorous, you know,
Yeah, so-
and positive characters are like household.
Household, yeah. So now I just have black hair because I'm playing this positive character, Bichari, and she's from a disadvantaged, poor background.
Yes.
So yeah, I try and avoid my coloring now.
So what should a client check before trusting any salon? One is review.
Yeah.
You already mentioned.
Yeah.
Next is what?
Next is, I think, just your intuition and when you go in and how they're talking to you, what kind of products they're using. You can't just go in saying, now we're going to have the treatment done. You need to have a conversation
Yes.
and find out what their willingness is. Are they just trying to sell you extra
Yeah.
services,
Yeah.
or are they genuine
Yes.
and, want to help your hair
Yeah.
grow for the better?
I think red flag वहीं पे है when the hair expert is not able to find out, is taking a lot of time
Yeah.
कि
yeah.
क्या करना है. तो वहीं
Yeah.
पे हमें वो रेड सिग्नल मिल जाना चाहिए कि भाई उठो और भागो.
हाँ, जैसे आपको भी मिल गई थी. But you were just being polite.
I was thinking कि brand है ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Maybe this is a process. But then I had that intuition.
Yeah, you did have
कि
that intuition.
Yes. So I think intuition
Yeah.
intuition really works.
And especially with women.
Yes.
We just don't listen to it. Because sometimes, like, we're polite. Sometimes we just want to do the right thing. And maybe we're too trusting.
Yeah.
So these are the issues to be worked on.
So do you think काफी लोग बैक टू बैक कलरिंग करवाते हैं?
Yeah.
आज ये कलर करवाया, नेक्स्ट डे कोई और कलर. So too many treatments, too many few colors, and so many colors. So according to you, light colors are better for your hair or dark colors?
I think no color is good for your hair. Although you've colored your hair. But ideally, you should try and avoid it. But if you really want to, I think one which is ammonia free.
Ammonia free, yes.
Yeah. And just a good natural brand where possible. Although I've seen when I have tried to use natural brands, like they barely have the color on my hair, they're not very visible. But coloring strips, when especially bleach strips
Bleach.
your hair from that nutrition, strips the nutrition
Yes.
from your hair. Yeah.
I heard that light color are more harmful than the darker ones.
Oh, is it? Okay.
That is what
Yeah.
when I went to Desange, he suggested me कि never go
For the
with
lighter colours.
lighter colors because
Requires more
काफी
bleaching.
bleaching and all
Okay.
से hair damage हो जाता है. Even that was an eye opener for me.
Yeah. I try and avoid it now because I'm playing Bichari characters. So I am happy playing Bichari characters.
So Tina, I was saying you कि in between की कुछ research data I would be going to reveal. Now it's time to reveal. So I was reading few clinical studies on hair fall and the data is actually interesting. Normally around 85% of our hair is in the growth phase and 10 to 15 only is in the falling phase.
Oh.
So research के according 30 to 40% जो hair fall हो रहा है it is stress related. और stress जो है आपका it push your hair fall 70% into the shedding phase.
My God.
And I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's a lot.
So 30 to 50% is because of your stress, which causes your hormonal issues, thyroid, PCOD and all. Then nutritional deficiency is only 20 to 30%.
मैं इतनी सब्जियां खा रही हूँ ये सब फालतू जा रहा
So even if you are eating a good nutrition, your stress, if you are not treating the root cause,
yeah.
तो आप कुछ भी खाओ hair fall होने ही वाला है. And then chemical damage, and what surprised me is chemical damage is just 10 to 15%.
Oh, is
So
it?
if you are eating good,
Yeah.
तो फिर आप कितना भी कलर करवाओ,
हाँ, it's.
बट ब्लीचिंग आपका नीचे से डैमेज होगा ना, आपका हेयर ग्रोथ
Hair
आना
growth
नहीं
नहीं,
रुकेगा.
Okay, okay.
So then I was also surprised
That's an
क्योंकि
eye-opener, yeah.
generally we had this perspective कि major hair fall is because of the hair color.
Right.
But now when I actually went through the research paper, 10 to 15% अगर हम अपना स्ट्रेस फिक्स कर लेते हैं या न्यूट्रिशन फिक्स कर लेते हैं
तो कर सकते हैं.
तो yeah, then we can even
Colour.
go with the colors and all.
Okay.
And scalp condition is 10 to 20%. That is like your dandruff, your inflammation. So
Oh, okay.
overall, जो confusion
Stress.
is stress only. So when you fix your stress, आपका सारा hormonal balance हो गया. And then you can check with your other hormone things. Insulin कितना hike पे है.
Right.
PCOD है कि नहीं, thyroid है कि नहीं है. And then we are good to go.
Wow. I'm going to cut down my vegetable.
That
I'm
is also
eating so many
important.
vegetables.
That is also important, and you have a beautiful hair too.
Thank you. They're a bit dry,
Yeah.
but from all the styling
Yeah,
that we
yeah,
keep doing on
yeah.
set. But
After
yeah.
that, you have a beautiful hair.
Thank you.
Yes.
मेरी मम्मी ने 5 बार मुंडन कराया है बचपन में सच में.
Yeah.
Because I think they say that you have thicker hair
Yes.
if you keep.
And that is, you have thicker hair, but when you don't take care of your hair
Yeah,
and your
then
health, then you
lose it,
चाहे आप
yeah.
5 टाइम मुंडन करवा लो या 10 टाइम करवा लो,
Yeah.
then you won't have that thickness.
Correct.
Yeah. So now let's move to a fun segment.
Okay.
It was really wonderful and great talking to you. We had
Same
beautiful
here.
insights here.
Yeah, no, same here. I absolutely loved and enjoyed talking to you.
Now let's move to a fun segment.
Sure.
Now we're gonna play one game.
Okay.
I would be throwing some skincare habits, trends, lifestyle, food related and all. And you have to rate it.
Okay.
So these are your rating cards.
Okay, lovely.
Let's see how much real glow you deserve
Okay.
and people deserve.
Right.
Right? Sleeping with makeup. Using sunscreen daily. Yeah, yes,
Okay.
really. Because without sunscreen, even the actives won't work.
Okay.
Yeah. Drinking 3 liters of water. Exfoliation daily.
Exfoliation daily is not very good. Average.
Yeah. I'll give it 1 to 3.
1 to 3.
Yes. Gua sha.
Gua sha is good.
Rollers.
Yeah, rollers also glowing.
Derma rollers. Light therapy. You must have
Light.
heard about red light, blue light and all.
But I'm not too keen on that. Like
Okay.
maybe just average.
okay.
I'm
Ice
more of a
cubes?
natural person, so yes, ice cube, natural.
DIY नुस्खे.
ठीक है, average. Knowledge तो होनी चाहिए.
300 rupees cream versus 3000 rupees cream.
दादी के नुस्खे दोनों reject. दादी के नुस्खे.
K beauty.
K beauty average.
4 hours sleep plus expensive skincare.
Very bad.
But I think Tina, you sleep only 4 hours.
No. I sleep 10.
Deep sleep 4 hours.
नहीं, मुझे बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है. सेट पे भी इतना शोर मचता है, मैं सो जाती हूँ, मुझे कहीं पर भी अच्छी नींद आ जाती है.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm blessed that way.
Gym plus no skincare. Okay. Good diet plus no products.
No products तो नहीं होने चाहिए, मतलब average.
Now let's check yours. Sleep during shoots.
Where is the glass skin?
Consistent are you off camera with skincare?
I am consistent. You won't believe, I put aloe vera every day. यहाँ आने से पहले भी मैंने एलोवेरा लगाया है.
हाँ, really?
और वो भी बॉटल वाला नहीं, मेरे घर में इतना बड़ा
Plant
प्लांट है
है.
उसको तोड़ के. सो
Great. Your on-screen glow.
ये तो कोई और ही बताएगा. तो मैं कैसे बताऊं? हालांकि
When you dress up, you know how you're glowing, you know, and
I'm
your
glowing-
off-screen glow.
I'm glowing from the inside, so I'll be modest. I'm not giving myself glass skin. I'm giving myself glowing.
And your off-screen glow?
Off-screen glow also is actually, you know what? 1 minute. On-screen 9 out of 10. ठीक है? क्योंकि मुझे लोग सच में ऐसा बोलते हैं, you look better on screen.
Yeah, because I've seen you
Yeah.
in Kumkum Bhagya.
Thanks. So I'm not looking nice in
No,
person.
of course.
Ghazal.
You are.
Thanks.
But as you are giving yourself ratings, so I'm just helping you out.
Okay, fine. So I mean, from what people tell me, they say that I look better on screen. So glass skin and glowing. I think both. I'm glowing from the inside. So
Generally, कैसा होता है ना? Even people look good
yeah.
generally, but they don't look good,
Good on
cameras.
screen. Yeah. No, I want to look good only on screen. So because that is my work. So
So
yeah.
your diet discipline,
Diet discipline is good. So
of course, क्योंकि काफी nutrition की बातें की
हाँ,
हमने.
तो 7 out of 8. Yeah, I can say 9. Yeah.
Real life glow.
Real life glow. See, अब मैं तो अपने आप को 9
It
out
means
of 10.
relationship also comes under picture.
हाँ, तो सब बढ़िया है. 9 out of 10.
Can you go bare skin?
I can go bare skin. Yeah.
Okay. Late night scrolling.
I will say glowing, matlab not perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do skincare tomorrow habit you have.
No, I don't have. I'm very disciplined like that.
Experiment-
Like मैंने बोला, मैं इधर आने से पहले भी मैंने पत्ता तोड़ के
Aloe
एलोवेरा
vera.
लगा. Yes. I am very particular because you leave it one day,
Yeah.
then I think it's just out of discipline.
I think consistency is more important.
yeah, consistency is key.
Yeah. Experimenting too much.
Dull and tired. 1 out of 3.
Okay. Water intake.
My personal water intake is low, so it needs to improve.
कहीं तो कुछ तो बाहर आया है.
सब में मैं अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे नंबर दे रही हूँ क्या? सब में अपने आप को 9 out of 10. Yeah, I mean, I need to drink more water.
So Tina, here we end our fun segment.
Aw.
And now I have something really as a surprise element for you. So
Okay.
you have to wait for that.
Okay, sure.
Tina, this is for you from my baby brand. That is Leafoberry. And these are my customized formulation. And we have a small bookmark for you.
How lovely. Thank
and this
you.
is customized with your photo.
That's so sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's very kind of you.
And
Thank
even
you.
we have something for you which is truly symbolic. So you can even store your cookies inside this, on the dining table.
Honestly, it's looking like an award. And I feel like I've got an award. Thank you. That's very sweet of you. It's lovely. Very artistic. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much, Tina. It was really fun with you.
Thank you. Likewise, it was a lot of fun, and I'm so glad we could finally do this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Glow Fams, today's conversation makes one thing very clear. Hair fall is not just about what you apply, it's about what's happening inside your body. Your stress levels, your hormones, your nutrition. That's the real foundation. And sometimes, instead of understanding the root cause, we end up over treating the problem. So, my Glow family, अपनी स्ट्रेस ऑडिट करो, अपनी स्लीप चेक करो. अगर हेयर फॉल परसिस्टेंट है तो बेसिक हार्मोन टेस्ट जरूर करवाओ. योर हेयर इज लिटरली टेलिंग यू समथिंग, लिसन टू इट. टैग अस, लीव अ रिव्यू और अपने क्वेश्चंस भेजो. वी विल एड्रेस इन फ्यूचर एपिसोड. एंड टू एवरीवन वाचिंग, इफ दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन रेजोनेटेड विथ यू, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू ग्लो विद गजल. Until next time, stay real, stay aware and keep glowing.